Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional crafter, you know the importance of having the right tools. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best rotary tools that will elevate your projects to the next level. Whether you're working on intricate designs, tackling home repairs, or just looking to unleash your creativity, the perfect rotary tool can make all the difference. We've tested and reviewed some of the most popular options out there, and we can't wait to share our favorites with you. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. So, let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Dremel 4in300/540 Rotary Tool Kit. When it comes to choosing a top-tier, high-quality rotary tool, the Dremel 4300 is certainly near the top of the list. This powerful corded rotary tool features a 1.8 motor with a speed range between 5,000 and 35,000 revolutions per minute. This Dremel rotary tool comes with a detachable work light, a universal chuck, and several accessories including grinding and rotary sanding tool wheels, cut-off wheels, carving bits, and more. All of these items fit into a hard case to keep them safe and organized. During testing, the Dremel 4300 proved to be incredibly powerful. Even when cutting through thick steel, this Dremel tool barely slowed down, meaning it was able to cut through faster than any other model. We really liked the detachable work light on the collar, and removing it and swapping it for other collars was a breeze. It's also worth noting that this kit came with the best accessories, including Dremel's S-Lock cut-off wheels, which don't require a tool for swapping the discs on and off. Our only complaint with this Dremel saw was that when running over 20,000 revolutions per minute, there was a noticeable vibration regardless of the accessory in the chuck. Coming in at number 4 is the Goxawee Rotary Tool Kit. The Goxawee G4007 comes with a flex shaft, router attachment, eye guard, and a 140-piece accessory kit that includes drills, router bits, stones, sanders, polishing wheels, cut-off discs, diamond bits, and more. And as long as those jobs aren't too heavy-duty, this tool should handle them well. I found that some of the accessories, like the sanding drums and polishing wheels, did very well, but others, like the small cut-off wheels, were not so good. You get a very healthy supply of the small cutting wheels, perhaps because they know it's not too hard to break them while cutting. The tool itself functioned fine, even though the RPM range was limited. I didn't experience much vibration or noise. For the price, it seems like a pretty solid buy. If you're looking for a tool to stand up to heavier use, the motor is middle of the pack power-wise, and you might find that tasks take longer because it bogs down under pressure. If you're looking for a decent tool with lots of included accessories, the Goxawee gets it done for a very reasonable price. At number 3, we have the DeWalt DW660 cutout tool. Accurately and easily cutting through material is the only task DeWalt focused on when designing the DW660 cutout tool. The 5A motor offers more power than most rotary tools need, but it is perfect for cutting through thick drywall, tiles, or even up to 1.5 inches of birch wood. It offers 30,000 revolutions per minute, as well as toolless blade changes. We like that this DeWalt model is such a powerful and heavy-duty tool, as it truly can handle a variety of materials. We also liked the toolless blade changes, though the mechanism did jam on us once it was probably a user error. We really liked the adjustable depth of cut as it's less likely to snag insulation or a wire behind drywall. Our only complaints are that it didn't come with any bits, and that the tool is really limited to cutting, sanding, grinding, and carving aren't really an option. Number 2 on our list is the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool. The HARDELL Mini Rotary Tool is the smallest and lightest tool in the test, and it is also tied for the least expensive. The little HARDELL has the least intuitive speed controls, and you have to cycle through the speeds to turn it off. But outside of that, it functions very well. The motor is quiet and smooth, and it has more power than you would expect from its small size. Most of the accessories come in the form of extra sanding drums, which is nice because I use them fairly often. The compact travel case would make this a great option to bring along as a just-in-case tool. This tool works well for fine tasks because it's so small and light. But that small size means that it can't interchange attachments like the others can. The HARDELL won't accept any guide adapters, and so it will always be used freehand. All that said, I was impressed with the power and accessories out of this mini rotary tool. and I'm going to have it as part of the toolkit I always carry in my truck. USB charging means I can always maintain the battery, and the carry case is easy to put in my tool bag. The HARDELL Mini may be the best value tool I tested. And finally, our number one pick Dremel 3228 Variable Speed Toolkit. Working with wood can be difficult, and it takes more than raw power for a successful project. The Dremel 3228 Variable Speed Rotary Tool Kit drops the power to 1.2 but keeps the versatility to reach 35,000 revolutions per minute, more than enough for carving wood. The smaller motor makes the rotary cut tool easier to handle for careful, precise cuts, but still affords the user enough power to move the tool easily through wood. When we took the Dremel 3000 in hand, the first thing we noticed was its excellent grip shape. It contoured to our hands nicely, and the rubber grip made holding onto it easy. We also liked that this Dremel kit came with plenty of accessories, including ones for cutting and carving wood, what we feel this tool excels at. Also, the collar on this Dremel 3000 fits over the collet to act as a wrench, meaning bit changes are toolless. The only area we could see needing some improvements is that it's slightly underpowered for heavier duty work. So, there you have it, our top 5 best rotary tools. Remember, each of these rotary tools has unique features to fit your needs, from versatility to power. So, make sure to check out the links in the description for more details and current prices. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.